Hey guys, good morning. So today I want to go into a bar. All right, I'm going to look for any bar close to me, closest actually to me, and I want to go in there and see what 3 euro can actually get me, right? And yeah, if you're in Europe, if you're anywhere in Europe, okay, I want to know if this same 3 euro can actually get you the same thing to get me here. Let me know if it is even lesser, so that if I want to relocate, I will know where they can relocate to. But I don't have the intention. But yeah, I just want to know if it's the same thing, right? And let's see if I would even think to that direction. So I'm going right there. That's the Super Rosetto. And they also have bar. So we're going to the bar, not the supermarket. Though I will enter supermarket later to get some item, but we're going straight up to the bar first. And let's see what we can do with 3 euro, like I said, nothing more than that. And you tell me if it's cheap or it's expensive. Let's go. Due, due. Anche Giuseppe, dai un tempo. Sì. Hey guys, so I was able to get 4 euro 80 cents. So that's past what I budgeted because I have to get one more for my daughter. And yeah, with what I have here, 3 euro was supposed to get me one of these. This is a croissant. The 3 euro was supposed to get me one of that and a cafe. This is a ginseng. Not really a cafe, this is a ginseng. The 3 euro was supposed to get me one croissant and one ginseng. But I bought for my daughter, so we ended up spending 4 euro 80 cents. 4 euro 80 cents for two and one ginseng. Yeah. So tell me, is this expensive? Is this expensive? I really want to know. I'm judging from the receipt. If I'm judging from the receipt, I think the brioche was 170 for one brioche, 170 euro for one brioche, and the cafe came 140. So 170 plus 140 is about 310, right? Yeah, I think so. Should have been. It's about 310. So I'll be spending 3 euro. If 3 euro is not even enough, I will need extra 10 cents to get one brioche and one cafe ginseng, right? So 3 euro is not even enough to eat one of these cafe.
Cameraman, camera. Yes, yes.
Yes, guys. So We are done for today. I'm going home. The 3 euro did not even get us one coffee, one ginseng, and one brioche. So we needed 10 more cents, which is 3 euro 10 cents to get one brioche and one coffee. I bought for my daughter as well, so we ended up spending 4 euro on that part in that particular bar. But yeah, that's it. Let's go.